Today, we're making Miso Glazed Tilapia. This is a great recipe for dinner, so let's get cooking. In a bowl with half a cup of miso paste, measure 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and a quarter cup of sugar. Mix this until everything is dissolved into a uniform paste. Line a tray with plastic wrap, and then one by one coat each fillet by dipping into the marinade. Move these over to the tray and repeat for all of the fillets. This is probably a good time to mention this was supposed to be a miso cod recipe, but I picked the wrong tray at the store, so here we are. I'll be doing this recipe again for salmon in the future. Let this marinate for at least 12 hours in the refrigerator. After 12 hours, we can get cooking. Line another tray with aluminum foil. One fillet at a time, wipe as much of the marinade off as possible. Any excess marinade will burn in the oven, and the flavor of the miso has already had time to soak really deep into the fillet. Repeat this for each. Set your oven rack so that it's about 8 inches away from the broiler, then turn the broiler on and insert your tray. We're going to let this cook for 12 minutes, making sure to check in at around 8 minutes. Make sure the fillet reaches an internal temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. We can now prep our 4 cups of white rice. See the video in the description for how to make white rice in an Instapot. Our fillet should have a nice caramelization to the top. If you want to get an even better caramelization, move the rack up for the last 4 minutes of cooking. We'll then just repeat this process for all of our fillets. I recommend replacing the aluminum foil after 2 batches to prevent any burned sugar from smoking too much. Our veggies for today are 10 heads of baby bok choy. We can cook this while our final batch is in the oven. Once everything is ready, we can plate and portion everything out. This recipe makes 8 servings and is a great balance of salty and savory. We can pack everything up and refrigerate for about 1 week. To reheat, simply microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. If we look at our ingredients, we can see that each meal costs about $3 to make. Now, ideally you'd want to use black cod or salmon, but if you're ever stuck with tilapia or just want to save money, this is a great option and alternative. I'll be making a separate video for black cod and salmon in the future. Let me know how it goes in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.